Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is Kurumicooks. This video shows you how to make kelp and shiitake stock. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here are the ingredients. 5 grams of dried kelp, 5 grams of dried shiitake. If you can't buy dried shiitake, buy fresh shiitake and dry them at home. It's easy to do. And 500 ml of water. Wipe the kelp with a wet paper towel. Don't rinse the kelp in water or you will lose the umami flavor. Soak the kelp and shiitake mushroom in water for 30 minutes in a pan. Remove the shiitake mushroom, keep them for another use, and slowly bring to the boil over medium heat, which takes about 10 minutes. When the water just begins to boil, remove the kelp, keep the kelp for another use. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website Kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!